Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix media volume on Android. Here are the steps to fix media volume issues on your Android phone. First, unlock your Android phone using your PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or face unlock. Play any media. Open YouTube, Spotify, or any app with audio so you can test volume changes. Press the volume up button. Make sure you are adjusting the media volume, not ringtone or alarm. You can do this by holding the volume up button. Open the full volume panel. Tap the small arrow, settings icon, or three dots beside the volume slider. Set media volume to maximum. Slide the media bar all the way to the right or upwards. Check if Do Not Disturb is enabled. Swipe down the notification bar and turn it off if active. Restart your phone. This can fix minor sound glitches. Check app volume settings. Some apps have their own volume controls. Adjust them inside the app. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. You can check this in the control panel by swiping down in the top corner. If connected to wireless earbuds or speakers, sound may be playing there instead of your phone. Disable mono audio. Go to Settings, System, Accessibility, Hearing, or Audio Adjustment. Then turn off mono audio. Test with another media app. If sound works in other apps, the issue may be app specific. Consider reinstalling the app. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.